Keep going. Keep going.
Hey everybody.
Hi.
I just wanted to kind of give you a little bit of a different video this time. We haven't been out on the road doing anything with our Jeeps lately, so there's been a little bit of a gap in our videos coming out. But we've had a couple incidents happen to the Jeeps, and we're going to give you guys a little bit of an update.
Yeah, we had kind of one incident and one accident. The incident was with Jason's Jeep coming home from Jeepers Jamboree. Take it away, Jason.
So we had was driving home from Jeepers, not a big deal, no top, no doors, and a latch from a cargo door from a truck, like a semi, got flipped up from another car, hit my hood, hit the mirror, ricocheted inside the car and hit me about here in the jaw. I didn't get knocked out, but it hurt pretty bad.
As one could imagine.
And
just for reference, this is what hit him in the face. It hit the hood of his Jeep, as he said, and the mirror. When this hit the mirror, the glass from that mirror shattered into a gadillion pieces and sprayed across the front of my Jeep like it was raining all of a sudden. I had no idea what had happened. And after it hit him in the face, he put on his blinker, went all the way to the right, and we ended up on the side of the road, and he found this in like the
on the wheel well, and not the wheel well, but on the floorboard of the Jeep. So it was just sitting there like that's where it was supposed to be. And so it was, so the Jeep had to go to the body shop, have the hood fixed. Just left a big gash in the hood, but it wasn't really fun. It was an experience.
No, and it was terrifying for me. I had no idea that's what had happened, and he was in, like, to be honest, kind of a state of shock when we pulled over, and I'm just so grateful this wasn't pointy. I'm so grateful that it wasn't bigger than this. It's just unimaginable that something like that would happen. The fluke accident of it not having a window is probably really why it came into the vehicle and hit you. And anyway, so his Jeep had to get repaired, and that just wrapped up today. Actually, he picked it up today.
Yeah,
it was his final coating of paint and all the things. So anyway, yikes. Watch when you're driving, watch for things like this in the road. Bad news. The other thing that happened, that was the incident. This was the accident. I was out running errands about 2 weeks after Jeepers Jamboree, and somebody hit me. They came, they didn't stop at a stop sign and just kind of didn't see me and pulled out in front of me. And fortunately, everybody's okay, and that's what really matters here. Jeeps can be fixed, cars can be fixed. I'm just grateful that nobody was injured in that. But my Jeep now is going on month 3 of not being repaired, and this is kind of the story of that. When the person hit my vehicle, she hit my wheel, my tire area, and my axle just snapped, just boop, right in half. I was completely dead in the water, couldn't move after that. And there's quite a few things wrong with it. Busted
tie
axle,
rods,
control arms, all the things you can imagine, and other.
All suspension. There's really no body damage per se on the vehicle at all. All underneath. So Jeep versus Corolla. That's kind of what happens.
Their vehicle was a 2023, and it was totaled. So anyway, I feel bad about that. But anyway, so after that happened, Jason actually had an appointment to go get his Jeep fixed from the incident, and about half an hour before my accident. And so when the police came and they took the report and they called the tow truck and what have you, we ended up just deciding to take it to the same place he had an appointment, because he was literally headed right there. So our Jeeps went to a body shop here local to us. And after like a couple of days, they kind of called us and said, hey, we don't want to work on either one of these Jeeps. And so that was all for nothing. I ended up taking my Jeep to a local dealership that we have a great relationship with, and nice guys there and everything. And I was there for a while before the adjuster could come and what have you. And in that amount of time, I was starting to hear from friends and family and even my insurance telling me that it should probably go to an off-road shop. But so after about a month of it being at the dealership with nothing going on to it or with it, we decided to look for a local off-road shop. And we were lucky to find G-Force Offroad, where Hericon, my 392, is at right now. And it's been there about a week. It took them this amount of time to kind of look at it, do their own assessment of what was broken on it, what we need to do to repair her. And actually we are going to head down there right now to go take a peek and speak with the guys there and get a move on fixing my Jeep. So come with us.
Here we go.
There we go. Hi, how are you? Good.
Didn't recognize you without your helmet on.
So we head to the back here and talking to the guys about my Jeep, when all of a sudden our buddy Brian shows up, who's also having some work done at G-Force.
So we came up with a new name for her. We were thinking about calling her Ratchet, because Ratchet Strap is what's holding the front end together. That was kind of funny. But this is the condition she's in.
Not bad.
Well, not good either. Lots of suspension stuff, but really no body damage, which is pretty incredible.
Really has is a little tiny thing here on the
Maybe a
paint,
little
and
thing
that
right there.
is like it. Where the bumper must have got pushed or something.
Well, that could have been her vehicle, because she was kind of
in that vicinity.
came in there. Yeah, came in. She scraped my brand new Gen Right bumper, and anyway, no body damage. And I'm so grateful it's inside during this whole process. But
Other than that,
she's, you know, she doesn't look too bad, but she is not operable. What's the word?
inoperable.
She's in op right now.
She is in op right now, but
Yeah.
nothing really seems to be. Nothing structural so far, so that's good.
We are going to do a supplemental look at the frame after we get the suspension parts in and on.
We go to a body shop and have the frame measured and check for
that's what
trueness.
G-Force is going to do to ensure that there is no frame damage, because there is, you know, that could be a thing.
Yeah.
We hope not.
We should be fine. I think we'll be okay.
Yeah. All right. Well, they're taking good care of her here. It's just now it's time to start the list of what we're going to do with her. I miss her. I miss her.
We'll be back. Of course you will. There's always more stuff you want to do. There's always.
This is where the guys were saying something about not telling us wives what they wanted to do to their Jeep.
Very similar.
Oh, that's gorgeous. Wow.
Which ones are these?
This is the Mesa.
Mesa.
And it's a forged wheel.
It's forged. I was going to say, I do believe.
The only difference is they don't have seconds. Okay?
Well,
This
yeah, of
for the
course, because you got 110s anyways. You're not
Yeah,
gonna see 'em.
they stick out.
Okay.
Yeah. Those are beautiful wheels.
Nice.
That's gorgeous. Yeah. Wow.
All right, thanks, guys.
Bye.
Awesome.
Thank
You guys
you.
have a good night.
Take care. Have a good night.
We'll see you.
Hey guys, we just got back from G-Force Offroad, where we were able to sit down and look over Stephanie's list of upgrades that she wants for her Jeep. The guys at G-Force were awesome. They gave us feedback on all of the list of upgrades that we wanted. They could tell us what we couldn't do, what we can do, and what needs to be done. In the end, we were able to finalize everything in order to get Hericon back on the road. We're not going to reveal everything just yet, but we think it's going to be great. So stay tuned for future episodes of The Progress, and thanks for watching.